Hola, hola, hola guys, it's me and I'm coming to you very quickly with my Ipsy bag for this month. I usually do the Ipsy and the BoxyCharms together, but I received the Ipsy bag like a day after I had recorded my BoxyCharm box, and I wasn't going to put it up, but I'm going to do it anyway. So I'm going to go into the bag. So here's the bag for this month. Now obviously this was Valentine's Day theme, although I did not get it in time. I got it pretty late, but whatever. So here is the box, the bag, people. Sorry, it's like I think 7 in the morning. so here it is right here. As you can see, it has some kisses on it, and it has like this kind of like a nylon faux leather pleather feel of a bag, if you will. So I'm going to open up the bag and show you the products that are inside. So I got this little thing in the package, which has all the products, which I was shockingly enough, because in the last couple of Ipsy videos that I put, I did mention that they had kind of cut out the card where they put the products, they list them and what they do and all that stuff, and it seems like they actually put it back. So I don't know, did they hear me? Who knows? So I'm gonna go into the first product, and this is from Elemis, and this is the Superfood Facial Wash, probiotic gel cleanser, blah 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 blah. So here it is right there. I seem to have quite a couple of cleansers going on right now, so it might be a while until I actually get to this product. Next product, this is from Glam Glow, and this is the Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. So I believe that you can put this, apply evenly to face, wear alone, or layer with your favorite foundation. Can be used on the neck and décolleté. So I'm assuming that this definitely is going to have some illuminating properties. So here is the little bit I put here, just so that you can see how it looks. It's not big of an illuminating thing. It's like really, really subtle, which makes it actually a nice moisturizer. It has like very, very, very subtle sheen in it. So this is not going to be like a liquid highlighter or anything like that. So the next product, this is from Cella, and this is an eyeliner pen, and this is actually in the color brown, which is kind of refreshing because I actually don't have any brown liners now that I think about it. So here's the brown, a nice dark chocolatey brown. So I really don't have any liquid liners in brown, which is kind of good. So I think I will be using this because if I want to do like an everyday look or a lazy look or a natural look, and I don't want to use something as harsh as black eyeliner that day, then I can use the brown eyeliner. And the last product, this is from Sugar. This is a lipstick, and this is in the color Better Call Salmon. So this is the little lipstick right here. Here is the color, and I'm just going to go ahead and swatch that on my hand so that you can see the color. And this is definitely a true salmon color in my opinion. So that is the lipstick. So those are the products in my bag. I did get, however, 2 bonus products because, and I think that this is actually a good thing that Ipsy is doing for once, because I've just been so unhappy with Ipsy. But if you don't know, or you haven't done it yet, or you haven't been with Ipsy for a while, they have this new add-on things. So you get a certain, I think it's like a certain amount of time that they give you to add on certain products to your glam bag. So I decided to get these 2 extra products, which I actually am very happy with. So the first one is a lipstick from Finding Ferdinand, and this is a lipstick in the color Au Naturel, and I actually like this one. First of all, I like the packaging because it kind of like, it has that little clicking thing. I think that is so cute. You pull it out, and there is the color right there. And I really do like this color. It's very nice and natural. Here is the lipstick color right here. It's really, really such a pretty color. Very nice light neutral that you can wear. So I'm really enjoying this lipstick. I wore it yesterday and I liked it very much. And the other product that I got was the Tarte Double Duty Beauty. Make every moment count. And this is a blush palette. I really wanted this as well when I saw it because I thought the colors just looked so cute and cheeky. So this is the product. This is how it looks. It has the mirror on the side, which is a good mirror, nicely sized. Packaging feels really, really nice and stable, really strong packaging. And these are the three blush colors. You have Live, Learn, and Love. So I really like, and they feel so nice and buttery. Learn would be the darker of the three. As you can see, not too good with these swatches. But I mean, it is a blush. And then here's Live. So they're really pretty. I mean, this is more, this is the darker of the two. This is more of like, maybe like a corally color. And this one is a pink blush. So I really like it. And I like how it looks, how it smells as well, which is what I really meant to say. I like that Tarte, and we all know that Tarte has that thing of making all of their palettes smell so nice and cocoa buttery. That's how it smells like to me. I don't know. But so yeah, that's it. That's all that I got in my Ipsy, including my extra products that I got with my bag. So it made my bag a little more exciting this month, a little more interesting. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching me ramble and me show you my products that I got. And that's it. Let me know below if you got your bag and what did you get in it. So I'll see you guys next time, and I will see you guys in the next video. Adios.